Let me show you how to hard reset or factory reset Samsung X7. Understand? X7 without using any tool. You don't need a tool with this process. I know a lot of people do always commenting that they need to factory reset or to bypass some phones, but I'm going to tell you that not every phone you're going to bypass or hard reset or factory reset using a tool. So let me show you. As you can see here, we have the menu, and here we have the volume down and volume up, and beside here we have the power button. So you're going to use all these 4 functionable buttons to factory reset this phone. Remember, this is Samsung X7. So let me show you how to do it. Here we go now. Let me show you how to hard reset this. As you can see here, let me show you first. Can you see? It's lock on password. See now? So, and if you try to turn it off from here like this directly, it will require the passcode again. Let's wait for the seconds to go so that let me show you what I was talking about. Those that are using this phone, they know. So if you try to turn it off, it will ask you for the passcode again. Can you see now? Try again in 3 seconds. All right, now let's try to turn it off. Can you see now? It asks for passcode unless you input the passcode before the phone will turn off. So in most cases, or in these cases, what you're going to do now is look at this menu here. You have menu here, power button, volume down and volume up. So at first you're going to forcefully hold this volume down, volume and the power button and the menu together for a while. Can you see? You hold them, this power button, volume down and the menu, you're going to hold them together. So you're going to forcefully, all right, you're going to press them 1, 2, go. Can you see now? You keep on holding them together like this. So immediately it's turning on. Immediately the phone turn on, then can you see now? Then you use this volume up. You keep on holding these two and the volume up. This one failed. So let's hold on again. It failed. So let's allow the phone to boot. They will try it again for the second time. So now we're going to press power button, the menu and the volume down. Press them together. Until the phone goes off and turn on again. Keep holding them. Can you see now? Then you hold the volume up again with the power button and the menu again. Can you see now? It's saying recovery booting now. Then you press power button once more again. Then hold on, wait for it. Can you see now? Now installing system update. So let's hold on for a while. To hold on for the phone to diagnose into factory reset mode. So you just hold on for a while. It will show you this no command. Can you see now? So what you do now, you're going to press this power button and volume up once more again, or you press this one, you hold it, then press this one, then release them together. So like this, So you hold on again. So now we have the factory reset mode activated. Can you see now? So you use your volume up or volume down to select. So in this case, I'm going down, so I'm going to use volume down to select. So here we say we have select wipe data or factory reset. So look at this warning. Make sure the battery is charged before carrying out this operation. Don't allow the battery to drop lower than 30% before taking this kind of work. So you're going to press the power button again once more. Then you select yes, which is down or up. If you select like this, can you see me? So you press power button once more, then allow the phone to format. See now, wipe complete. So you press power button again, then allow the phone to reboot. It's rebooting. I like to do 5,000. Just hold on for the phone to reboot, then you set it up. So that is the most simplest way you're going to hard reset Samsung S7 without a tool. So with this method now, this method work on this Samsung S7, S9, S10, even S10 Plus. So with this method, it's work within all of them. So don't forget to share this video and follow for more. So let's hold on for the phone to boot, then we'll set up the phone. But most important thing, don't set up while the SIM card is inside. If you have a SIM card installed inside, remove the SIM card and do not connect it to Wi-Fi, unless we're going to ask you for the Google account. So we are doing this, we don't want to bypass it again. We are doing this, both FRP and where the password, everything will go together. So that's the more reason why we are doing this. So now I think the phone is starting now. So let's hold on for a while again. You know, usually this kind of process take much time, so make sure your battery is charged while carrying out this kind of process. All right, now I believe the phone is wiped. So let's just test and see if we have FRP on the phone. So you select your language here, touch it. My own has already been selected to English. So you select your language here. Then you continue. If the device asks you for network, do not connect a network. Can you see now? It's asking you for a Wi-Fi connection. So you just skip it. Do not connect. Can you see? Just next and skip it. Skip anyway. Do not connect it to internet. And if you have a SIM card inside, please remove it. So you agree to it. Can you see now? Then you next again. You can write your name if you are the owner, or you can ask for the customer's name. Then you insert it in here. And the name itself is optional. You next again. Can you see now if you want to impute another pattern, but I don't want to impute, so I say no thank you, then skip it again, then skip again. Then you accept it. Now it's asking for your Samsung account, you understand? But I don't want you to sign into any Samsung account. Just drag it down or scroll it up or then skip it. You don't need any Samsung account to sign in. And they ask you if from Samsung iCloud if you want to restore your data or from old phone. I don't want to restore anything. I want everything to go. So you next again, I accept. All right, we are all done. So this is how you're going to hard reset or factory reset without a tool. And please make sure you use this on a device you have access to. Don't go and practice this on a stolen device, okay? So share this video and follow for more.